Okay, so another day, another dollar. We're going to get back in onto the Beetle down here, as you can see. Got a short break in the weather, so I've decided to make up a repair panel for that bit there, a repair section for that. I'll cut that out, and then making it well, I've got a piece here, a piece of steel from the front repair panel, which is massive, which I didn't need the whole thing. So yeah, I'll use this to make a repair panel for that little bottom section down there. Okay, so we've got a cardboard template cut out. I just stuck it on there just for on filming, and you can see. And I've got a flange under there. We'll have a flange on that end that will go around the door there. There's a flange underneath, which will be welded to the bottom of there. And yeah, and then bury it now. I've marked it out on the. So I've marked them out on my metal. I'll just flatten that out a bit. That's from the inner wheel arch repair at the front. Bit of surplus metal that was left over, which would be ideal. Okay, so here we have the little repair panel that I've made. Flanged that in the bottom and the this end. And that is going to go this is the plan. That is going to go under there. Fits nice and snug. Oh, I might want a bit of trimming on this end, just here where my thumb is. I'll trim that off. Yep, cut that bit of rot out on the bottom of the. I can chop that up, and then I think I'll do that before I do the sill. Yeah, that'll be a nice little exercise. Getting the welder set up again. I haven't used the welder for some time. May not even work, who knows? Might be time to go shopping for a new welder. Don't think that'll please the wife, but hey ho, needs must and all that. So yeah, that's another step closer on a reasonably nice day. All dependent on the weather, of course, because the weather's been pretty lousy everywhere, I suppose. I mean, I'm down in the far southwest of Cornwall. Get a nice bit of, have a look at Brutus there. He's better looking than me. Yeah, so yeah, I'm down in the southwest of Cornwall, and as I say, the weather has been pretty shitty, really. So yeah, what can you do? Okay, so I'll trim that bit up. Let's see how it fits. Yeah, that's better. That's a better fit. Yeah, once you get a bit of welding onto that, that'll soften up nicely and just tap right in there like it was factory fresh. Like I said, I'm not after concourse finish on this thing. I just want to make it solid and safe. So yeah, good one.